Hello all. In this video, we will see a question from GATE CSE exam based on C pointers. So here is the question. We wish to know what is printed by the following C program. So as you can see, we have two functions defined in the program. One is function f and another one is function main. Okay. Now we know that every program begins its execution from main, right? So when control enters main, we have a stack. So this is the stack we have. Okay, and it will contain stack frame for main. So this is the stack frame for main. What it will contain? It will contain memory for C, B, and A. So here is C, here is B, and here is A. Now what does C contain? C contains 4, right? What does B contain? B contains address of C. So imagine address of C is 100, so that is stored in B. And what does A contain? A contains address of B. So imagine address of B being 200, so A will contain 200, right? So C contains 4, B points to C and A points to B. Hence A is a double pointer because it is pointing to a pointer. Now what we do is we call this function f with these parameters. So whatever this function will return will be printed by this main function. So let's see the execution of this function. Now when you call this function, a stack frame for that function will be pushed onto the stack. So this is the stack frame for f. What it will contain? It will contain memory for x, py and ppz. Along with that, it will also contain memory for y and z. So here is x, here is py, right? Here is ppz, and then we also have memory for y and z. Okay. Now as you can see, value of c from main will be copied into x. So what is the value of c? Value of c is 4. So that is copied into x. Positional parameters. So c will be copied into x. Then what we have is b. Value of b is copied into py. So what is b? B is 100, right? B is 100. So that is copied into py. So basically py becomes a pointer, right? Py becomes a pointer to c. And then ppz will contain a. What is a? A is 200. So ppz will contain 200. Okay. Now we have few statements. One of them is star star ppz plus equal to 1. What does it mean? Star star ppz assigns star star ppz plus, right. Now we know what ppz is. ppz is 200. A star on that will give you 100 and a star on that will give you 4, right? So what we get is the value of c, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5, and this 5 should be assigned to what? Star star ppz. So through ppz we are going to modify this variable c in main, which makes it 5. Okay, now let's go to the next statement. When you look at the next statement says z assigns star star ppz. Z assigns star star ppz. So we know what ppz is. ppz is 200. Star on that will give you 100 and a star on that will give you 5. So basically star star ppz will give you value of c that should be copied into z. So z would contain value of c, which is 5. Okay. Then we have star py plus equal to 2. So star py means py is 100, right? Star 100 means value of c. So value of c is incremented by 2. So what happens is 5 plus 2, we get 7, right? So value of C becomes 7. Then y assign star py. So y will get value of star py star 100, that is 7. So py is actually referring to C. So we get value of C and we copy it into y. So y is 7. Okay. And finally we are incrementing x by 3. So x is 4, so we make it 7. X assigns x plus 3, right? So x becomes 7. Now what are we returning? We are returning x plus y plus z. So what is x? 7. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. So this is what we are returning. So 7 plus 7 plus 5, that is 19, right? So that what would be returned is 19, and we are going to print that value. So the correct option is 19. So the output of this program is 19. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.